Hello viewers, thanks much for stepping in. This video is absolutely for beginners who wish to learn mobile app development. I took a simple use case that shows two buttons on a home screen, and when one of them is clicked, it should take you either to Facebook or YouTube. Let's get started. I am initializing the app using Nativescript command, which is used for mobile app development. Let's run the application using Nativescript debug command. As per the mock, I have created two HTML files for our two screens, which we call as a component. The home component contains header section and the two buttons. The model component contains action bar or the header and the content of either Facebook or YouTube. Application has now started. Let's add a CSS style to the buttons and save the changes. Now let's add a tap event onto the two buttons. So when either one of them is clicked, it should take us to the respective contents. The method accepts two arguments, URL and a label. Let's add one to Facebook. Copy the same and update it for YouTube as well and save the changes. I am clicking on Facebook button, it works. Let's click on YouTube as well. We are done. Now let's fix the action bar that just says as job suite. We should display Facebook or YouTube label after a while. We are done fixing the label issue. We have made use of Nativescript framework to build this mobile app. The advantage of Nativescript is that we can make use of the exact same code to develop both iOS and Android application. If you really enjoyed this video and are interested in developing a real-time mobile application, then please leave a comment. Based upon your interest, I will create a separate tutorial to develop Android and iOS apps and on how to deploy them onto App Store or the Play Store. Until then, take care, bye. Thanks much for watching.